Today we're diving deep into car insurance requirements in Georgia. Whether you're a new driver, someone moving to Georgia, or just looking to update your coverage, we've got you covered. In this video, we will break down what you need to know to stay compliant with Georgia's insurance laws. Starting with detailing how to get the cheapest car insurance in Georgia, penalties you'll face in Georgia for driving uninsured, and so much more. If you're a Georgia driver looking to save on your car insurance cost, head over to FreeAdvice.com today to find the best providers at the cheapest rates and start lowering your car insurance bills. Car insurance requirements in Georgia mean you must have at least 25/50/25 coverage for accidents. This covers $25,000 for injuries to one person, $50,000 for injuries to multiple people, and $25,000 for property damage. These rules are in place to protect you and others if an accident happens. Without proper insurance, you could face fines, lose your driver's license, or even suspend your car registration. Meeting Georgia's minimum car insurance requirements is essential to protect yourself financially and avoid penalties. But it's often wise to consider higher coverage for added security. Visit FreeAdvice.com now for expert insights, comprehensive guides, and tips on choosing the right car insurance for your needs. Georgia's minimum coverage requirements and what they cover. Georgia insurance laws ensure that drivers have enough coverage to handle damages and injuries that might occur during an accident. While these amounts meet the legal standards, they are only the minimum. You can purchase higher coverage to protect yourself better financially if something happens. Additionally, you must consider your finances, the value of your property, and how much medical care and repairs could cost if you were involved in an accident when deciding on the coverage limits. Visit FreeAdvice.com now to compare car insurance quotes from multiple companies for free and get the coverage you need at the price you want. Cheapest car insurance in Georgia. Geico is the leading and most affordable and has a 4.6-star rating from over 19,000 reviews. State Farm is the second cheapest option with a 4.3-star rating from nearly 18,000 reviews, followed by Travelers in third place with a 4.4-star rating from over 1,700 reviews. All three providers meet the Georgia car insurance requirements. No matter where you live in Georgia, these companies offer great rates while following Georgia car insurance laws. Understanding Georgia's auto insurance laws is important for all drivers. Georgia follows a tort system, which means someone must be found at fault in an accident. Because of this, drivers must have liability insurance to cover any injuries or property damage they cause. The Georgia auto insurance requirements make sure every driver has enough coverage to take care of these costs and stay protected. The minimum car insurance coverage in Georgia helps protect everyone on the road, including drivers, passengers, and anyone else involved in an accident. These rules are there to make sure people can handle the financial impact if something goes wrong. Following the Georgia auto insurance laws isn't just about staying legal. It's about making sure you're ready for anything that might happen on the road. Staying insured gives you peace of mind and helps keep everyone safe. Driving without car insurance in Georgia can lead to serious consequences. If you are caught driving without insurance, you may face fines, suspension of your driver's license, and even potential jail time. Additionally, if you cause an accident without insurance, you may be held personally responsible for the damages and injuries, which can result in significant financial hardship. It's crucial to understand that being uninsured not only puts yourself at risk, but also jeopardizes the financial well-being of others involved in an accident. Furthermore, driving without car insurance can have long-term consequences. If you have a lapse in insurance coverage, it may be more difficult and expensive to obtain insurance in the future. Insurance companies consider uninsured drivers to be higher risk, and as a result, they may charge higher premiums or deny coverage. Maintaining continuous insurance coverage is essential to avoid these penalties and ensure compliance with Georgia's car insurance laws. By doing so, you can drive with peace of mind, knowing that you are protected financially in case of an accident. Visit FreeAdvice.com today for comprehensive guides, expert insights, and tailored advice on selecting the best car insurance for you. Mandatory car insurance coverage in Georgia. When it comes to car insurance in Georgia, liability insurance is the only mandatory coverage. However, it is important to understand what this coverage entails. Bodily injury liability coverage is meant to protect you financially if you're at fault in an accident that causes injuries to others. It helps cover the medical bills, lost wages, and other damages for the other driver and passengers involved in the accident. For example, if you accidentally rear-end someone on a busy highway in Georgia and they get seriously hurt, your driver's liability insurance in Georgia would help pay for their medical treatment and any lost wages while they recover. Additionally, bodily injury liability coverage can also help with legal costs if the injured party sues you. If the other driver takes legal action to seek more compensation, your insurance will provide legal defense and cover the legal expenses. Visit FreeAdvice.com now and get expert tips, detailed comparisons, and all the information you need to find the perfect car insurance policy. Property damage liability. Georgia automobile insurance requirements include property damage liability coverage, which helps pay for repairs if you damage someone else's property in an accident. For example, if you accidentally hit a neighbor's fence in Georgia, this coverage would help pay for fixing it. It can also help with repairs to public property, like street signs. So, if you damage a street sign, your insurance will cover the cost to fix it. While Georgia's state minimum auto insurance only requires liability insurance, learn how auto insurance pays for property damage in the event of a car accident to understand your coverage and avoid unexpected repair expenses. Other coverage options to consider in Georgia. In addition to liability coverage, Georgia drivers can purchase additional types of coverage to enhance their financial protection. A comprehensive understanding of these optional coverages can help drivers make informed decisions to safeguard their vehicles and themselves. Collision coverage. Collision coverage is an optional type of insurance that helps pay for the repair or replacement of your vehicle if it is damaged in a collision with another vehicle or object, regardless of who is at fault. This coverage is particularly useful in scenarios where the cost of repairing or replacing your vehicle would be significant. Imagine driving on a rainy day when suddenly the car in front of you loses control and crashes into your vehicle. Without collision coverage, you would be responsible for covering the repair costs. However, with this coverage, you can rest assured knowing that your insurance company will assist you in getting your vehicle back on the road. Comprehensive coverage. Comprehensive coverage is another optional insurance that protects damages to your vehicle that are not caused by a collision. This coverage extends to events such as theft, vandalism, natural disasters, or hitting an animal on the road. Consider a scenario where you park your car in a crowded parking lot, only to return and find that your vehicle has been broken into and valuable items have been stolen. Without comprehensive coverage, you would have to bear the financial burden of replacing the stolen items and repairing any damages caused during the break-in. How insurers determine car insurance rates in Georgia. Car insurance rates in Georgia are influenced by several factors that affect the level of risk associated with insuring a particular driver. Understanding these factors can help you understand how insurance rates are determined and how you can potentially lower your premiums. Factors influencing car insurance rates. Here's a quick breakdown of what insurance companies consider. Number 1. Age. Young drivers, especially those with limited experience, often pay more because they're seen as higher risk. Number 2. Driving record. Accidents or traffic violations can raise your rates, while a clean record might lower them. Number 3. Location. If you live in a busy city with heavy traffic, your rates are likely higher than in a quieter rural area. Number 4. Vehicle type. The car's make, model, and year matter. Expensive cars or those prone to theft might increase your premiums. Number 5. Credit score. A higher credit score often means lower rates, as it shows reliability to insurers. Understanding these factors can help you make decisions about coverage and find the right auto insurance guide for Georgia to navigate your options. Don't overpay for car insurance. Visit FreeAdvice.com today and use our free quote tool and discover how much you can save on your policy. Securing better car insurance rates in Georgia. Some factors affecting car insurance rates are out of your control, but there are ways to lower your premiums. Keeping a clean driving record by driving safely and avoiding violations can make you eligible for better rates. Improving your credit score by paying bills on time and reducing debt can also help lower your insurance costs. Bundling multiple policies, like car and home insurance, with the same provider often brings discounts. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and let us know. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of the helpful insurance content we have coming up. And don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or need advice on finding the best insurance. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, and we'll see you at the next video.